Hey there gardeners, Chris here from Steading. I wanted to give a little bit of a shout out to a product that we bought last year to help tackle mosquitoes in the house, or most specifically in the bedroom, because there is nothing worse than laying down to go to sleep, closing your eyes and hearing the bzzz as it, basically gets ready to land on your face and leave you with numerous very, very itchy bites. And particularly if you're in an area where you get lots of mosquitoes, which is probably most places, the more bites you get and the more kind of they build up, the more aggravated they get, and then the old bites get re-aggravated by new bites, and you can be super miserable from mosquito bites. It's a real problem, and by the same token, when we go outside, we do have to spray ourselves with insect repellent, unfortunately, but it's just what we have to do in the months where the bugs are a real problem. I don't want to be spraying chemicals inside the house. Number one, because our cats absolutely hate it. And while that will kill the mosquitoes, we wanted something that was a little bit healthier as an option, particularly in the bedroom, because those mosquitoes were a significant problem. Yeah, come here. And so this is one of the reasons why we don't like to spray the mosquito, death spray, bug spray, because obviously it scares the cats. And to be honest, they're probably smarter than we are in that they absolutely hate those sprays, and they're just poison. Anyway, so as I said, we went and bought this EnviroSafe Mosquito Trap, and I'm going to be totally honest, I was quite skeptical. There was a couple of options available, and most of the ones like this seem to work in a very similar way. We bought this one because it didn't require any kind of refill, it didn't have any chemicals in it, it didn't need like a replaceable part, which worked as part of the trap. It should just be, as far as I understand it, a buy once and you're good kind of approach. And so we've had this for about a year. Over winter, we haven't had such an issue with mosquitoes, and so we haven't been using it as much, funnily enough, but heading into spring, the mosquitoes are out in force, and this is now plugged back in and running overnight. Now, what is it? Basically, it's just this little cylinder of plastic. It has a fan in the bottom that sucks air in. It's got, I believe, like a little piece of metal in it that when the current runs through it, it creates CO2, which kind of mimics what attracts mosquitoes to us. And then it has blue light, which that is the combination of the trap. And it's got a little basket in the bottom, which will hold the mosquitoes. Now, this thing doesn't actually kill mosquitoes. All it does is the fan runs, it sucks them into the bottom when they get attracted in, and it holds them in there until the fan is turned off or they die. And it's a really, really simple thing. There's just a power button on the top that runs it in the trap mode, and there is a night light, so if you need a night light as well. I will say, if you're concerned about the level of volume for the fan, if you're running a fan in your room to stay cool, then it will probably be much louder than this. If you haven't got anything running in your room and you're very sensitive to sound at night, this may keep you awake. For me, I do have trouble getting to sleep, but I don't find it too much of an issue. The blue light, I would say try and probably keep it away from you because blue light is renowned as not being great for sleeping. But I gotta say, this product really, really works. We went from last year getting quite often multiple bites of a night when a mosquito would get in and we didn't spray or we weren't able to kind of kill it, which is quite hard to spot mosquitoes. And we started running this of a night. It just runs off a little USB port, so probably 12 volt. We just run it all night. There is a bit of noise and we weren't getting bitten anymore. And now that we're heading into spring, we've got it plugged back in. Last night, we didn't put it on early. I would recommend you put it on before you go to bed, a couple of hours. It'll trap the mosquitoes. And then you basically just leave it running all night. Or if you really don't want that noise, what you could probably do is try and capture the mosquitoes by putting it on well early, much before you go to bed. And then obviously, very carefully, taking out the cage. Make sure you cover it, not with your hand, and empty it outside because the mosquitoes will still be alive in there. But either way, you've got a good solution for capturing mosquitoes with no real chemical involvement, and it works, in my experience. And like I said, I was super cynical. I thought these might be a bit of a joke. I thought they may be a bit of a waste of money. I thought it might be just something that sounded good but didn't work. But this pretty much eliminated all of our mosquito bites of a night issues. in the bedroom, which is where it was the main concern. Yeah, so it's the EnviroSafe Indoor Mosquito Trap. And obviously you want something, if you're using it indoors, that is safe for indoors. Having a look at it, it has a whole heap of little mosquitoes in this cage. It's even got, by the looks of it, a little tiny little cockroach and a couple of flies that it's captured in there. That you can pop the top off and empty it out quite easily. I do, by the looks of it, actually need to give this a little bit of a clean because it's just picked up a bit of dust and a bit of cat fur from being used for such an extended period of time, and with me being basically too lazy to properly clean it out. And it looks like it could do with a pretty good clean just to keep it in tip-top condition. Yeah, so if you're having mosquito problems, I would certainly recommend this little EnviroSafe thing. This isn't sponsored. I paid for it with my own money. The main reason that I thought I'd mention it at all is basically because it made such a big difference to us that it was actually a really, really worthwhile purchase. And I imagine if you're somewhere where mosquitoes are getting in and you don't really want to spray, even during the day, you could probably run one of these in like an office or a room where you're working, and it's probably going to do the same job, which is going to be really, really invaluable because mosquito bites are the worst, and I reckon it's a bit of a coin flip between the sound of the mosquito trying to land on you at night or the bites being the more annoying thing. But either way, this seems to solve both of those issues.